Okay, welcome to Math 241 online course for this summer session 1 2026. I am Jean-Pierre Liamba. You can call me Dr. Liamba. So now what you see is the front page of my version of the Canvas course, Math 241. Now I'm going to go to the student view to see the student version of this Canvas page. So now I did log into Canvas as a student. So what you see here is exactly what you're going to see when you log into this course on Canvas. So anytime, the first thing that you need to do here is to check on what's written here on the home page. So on the home page, you have a description of the course contents here. And by clicking here, you can watch the video, the introductory video. And then here you have something about Alta. Alta is the software we're using to do the homework assignments, the quizzes, and the tests. So make sure to check on Alta, get some information there. Office hours is when you can come and see me. So you can see me any day on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Fridays between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. You will see me through Zoom. Okay, so if you click on this link will bring you to the Zoom office hours. So when you click on it, you will have to register, and then you will get into Zoom so you can ask your questions. If you come before this time or after this time, you won't be able to reach me. I prefer that you contact me through the inbox on Canvas. So basically here, see this inbox Canvas? You can send message there. Try not to use my regular email because that email has so many messages coming from everywhere. So sometimes I don't keep following the student messages. Okay, so now, after this homepage, go click on the announcements. Make sure to check the announcement every day. This announcement here, it says to set up your Alta account. So how do you set up your Alta account? Because you need to start doing your assignments. So just go to the assignment. If you click on the assignment, and then you can click on any assignment that will activate your Alta course, so you can start doing your assignment. So basically, if you go here under the assignment, click on it, and then it shows you all the assignments for this course from the beginning to the end, up to the final exam. Okay. So you see the final exam there. So you have all the assignments. You have homework assignment, you have quizzes, you have tests, final test. So to activate your account, just click on any assignment. If you just click on here, that will help you set up your course. Okay. And then you can start doing your assignment when after doing the reading and watching the related videos. So that was under the announcement. Make sure to read the announcement every day. The syllabus. So for the syllabus, you have a PDF file, document of the syllabus here. If you click on here, you can open the syllabus, or if you click on here, you can download the syllabus. I would suggest that you go over the course syllabus, go over all the pages in the syllabus to understand what we're expecting from you. The modules. So under modules, it gives you the overview of the course, the grading policy, something about the instructor, and so forth. So now, when you want to start doing your first module, okay, the first module will start here. you're working on the first module, which is a limit and derivative. Okay. That's chapter 2. So you can click, it says here, do the given readings and then watch the lecture videos. So you work on section 2.1. So if you click in here, you will see the reading. So these are the videos that you can, so when it says alta video, it means these are the alta, the video coming from the alta software. Okay. So watch those videos. And then you have other videos coming from other sources. For example, YouTube. Okay, and so step 2, then do the readings. Okay, so these are the lecture notes. So you can click here and then read the notes about the tangent problems. And then after that, on step 3, you can go back to the assignment and then start doing the assignment on chapter 2, section 1. Here we have 2 parts. The other, these are the velocity problem. You have the videos. Again, this is alta videos, and then you have other videos coming from over the sources, even the YouTube. And then you can, again, when you're done, you can go and do the assignment on still section 2, chapter 2, section 1. Okay. So every discussion is pretty much set the same way. Okay. So just master that. Grades. So anytime you do your, after the due date, the grade will be posted here. Okay. So you can see your grades there. Now on this side, it tells you that the course grades, these are the homework assignment grades. They are all 16% of the grade. You're going to take 4 quizzes. All are 14% of the course grade. Then you have 4 exams. They adds up to 56%. So each exam is actually 14%. So make sure when you do the exam, you don't mess up. Because if you fail one exam, means you already, you didn't do well on one of the 14% of the course grade. Final exam is 14%. All adds up to 100%. So that's how your grade is going to be calculated. Okay, so we go to, let's go back to the assignment. The assignment is where you're going to spend lots of your times. It's under the assignment because all the work, all the assignment, homework assignment are posted here. To do them, you have to log into assignments in Canvas and then start doing your assignments. Okay. So, and then you have the due date. It gives you the deadline. As you know, we don't have any extension, so you do not ask for homework extension or quiz extension. Follow the due date. Okay. Now, another thing is some of the homework are due the same date, June 8th. So you have a bunch of them. What does it mean? It means, first, day 1, do this when you finish, and then go to the assignment, and then do this related assignment. So do the reading on chapter 2, section 1. When you're done, then you can go to you can come back here on assignment, and then do the related assignments. And then when you're done on 2.1, and then you go to 2.2, you watch the videos, you do the readings, and then you come back here and then do the assignment on section 2.2, and so forth. At the end, when you reach, you're close to June 8th, you will have only a few assignments left. Okay. So do not wait until June 7th to start doing your assignment. That's when it's going to be kind of impossible to do everything. So do it step by step. Do the readings, and then read the notes, and then go do the related as homework assignments. Now, another thing is, when you look at quiz 1 covers chapter 2, section 1, and section 2. So for you to excel on quiz 1, you need to do the assignment on chapter 2 section 1 and then chapter 2 section 2 before doing the quiz. Okay, so you need to do the assignment here. There is assignment here before actually doing quiz 1, and then test 1 is about also it's include the 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.5. Okay, so you do the assignment, related assignments, and then you do the test. So that's how it works. Make sure to follow them. Okay, so so that's pretty much what you need to know about the course, and just make sure to follow the due dates. Now you grade your homework grade, unless you have 100% mastery. Your homework grade will show up on your Canvas page only after the due date. Okay, so because you can see I don't see my grade here, so when, like here, after June 8th at 11:59 p.m. we'll see the grade, unless you reach the mastery. Okay, then you can see it popping up, but otherwise you wait for the due date. All right, thank you very much for taking this course. I wish you a good summer, and we'll talk possibly to some of you during office hours. Just make sure to do your work, and thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.